everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. I hope you all are doing good. So, without wasting a time, how to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. Don't worry. I know these questions are in your mind and you are in trouble. I understand your problem that which you are facing that you cannot speak in English. But don't worry my friend, just think that you can speak in English and you will be able to speak in English. As the Buddha says, what do you think you become? If you think that you can speak in English, so you will speak in English because your mind will start working like that. You have to just think in your mind positively that you can speak in English. And I will tell you how you can speak in English. What is required to speak in English? Just one thing, knowledge of the vocabulary, knowledge of the words. And how will you learn the words? So there are so many ways. First is a traditional way, buy the dictionary from the market and learn the 50 to 100 words every day. Second, read newspaper, find out the new words and learn those words. Another thing which is more advanced, reading is also good, but I would like to tell you advanced thing. A book in the market you should buy, Word Power Made Easy. This is the book where you will find the most of the advanced word. Because whenever you will speak in English, everyone can speak in English, but when you will speak in English, so there should be something extraordinary. When you speak, people will listen. So if you will use advanced words, people will listen to you and they will find out that what the word he has said and I should find out the meaning. So your listener will find out the meaning of the word which you have spoken. So Word Power Made Easy is a great book published by the S. Chand publication. You can buy from the market. You will find the word over there. You will find the sentence, how to make a sentence by using that word, and the pronunciation. If your pronunciation is good, so it will show that you are good in speaking and you are good in confidence as well as fluency. So if you are good in these basic tips that learning vocabulary, so you will be able to speak in English. One more thing, reading is also good. Buy a newspaper from the market every day. I used to read newspaper Times of India every day because I feel that reading is very important, because reading keeps me it really helps me a lot and it's keep me updated because I got the news of the sports. As the today I have read about the sports is Rohan Bopanna, who is a nowadays who is working in the tennis and he's playing well and doing the practice and he's going well. So I got the news about the sports that Rohan Bopanna what he's doing right now. I got the news about the what is happening in the world, what is happening in the financial market, what is happening in the country, what is happening outside the country. So we got all the news as well as I got the advanced word also. So if you all will also do these things like learning vocabulary and reading, it is really going to help you a lot. Second advice I would like to give you is listen English. Yes, you can listen English news channel like BBC if you like NDTV 24/7, if you like CNBC, whatever the news channel you like, you should start watching that news channel and listening English. Because when you will listen, you are not just listening, you are not just watching, you are adopting. You will improve your pronunciation by watching other person speaking in English. Because if you will see that other person can speak in English like that, so you can also speak English like that. So there are the two ways of learning. Once you see someone while speaking in English, you will be able to speak in English. Other, do the practice. So if you really want to become a good English speaker and want to speak English like native speaker, native, I have told you that natives are those who are born in the English speaking country like the England, US, Canada, Australia. So they are called the native English speakers. So if you will do these practices like reading English newspaper, learning vocabulary and watching English media, English media means English news channels. So you will be definitely able to speak in English confidently in just 30 days. But you need to practice. You need to practice of your learning. So I would like to tell you one more thing. If you wish, you would like to do is speaking. Speak in front of the mirror, record your own voice, or speak with your friends or the family member. But speak with them, those who can speak in English. So speaking in front of the mirror, it will help you to build your confidence. Speaking with your friends, it will improve you will break your comfort zone because you will be able to speak with the live people. Recording your own voice, it will improve your self realize you can do your self evaluation. You can watch your video, you can see your postures and gestures, as well as you can listen your pronunciation also, and you can correct your pronunciation by own. So if you do these practices every day, it is my guarantee that you will be able to speak English confidently in just 30 days. I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.